Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Sisterhood of the Seers Oracle by Athena Laz, illustrated by Ana Santos, with a 44 card deck and guidebook published by Hay House. Thank you so much to Hay House for sending this my way, and this retails for $22.99 in the US and $29.99 in Canada, and as always in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this should you like to. All right, love is the key. Spirit is always guiding us toward love, and this deck is a reflection of that love mirrored back by the Sisterhood of Seers, a collective of energy that offers a map to wholeness and well-being. Here, author and experts on intuition, dreams, and consciousness, Athena Laz reveals the many gateways that you can enter, giving you the opportunity to choose mindfully between paths. This is the true art of seership, working with what was, is, and shall be. All right, interesting. Very pretty packaging. For my sisters, may you be seen. Aw. There's the bottom of the box. Ooh, okay. Let's take a peek at the guidebook first to see how best to utilize. Nice table of contents here. The Sisterhood. We have had many faces and names throughout time, yet our essence remains the same. We are a force of nature, now known as the Sisterhood of Seers, and we are here to help guide collective consciousness into a higher vibration. When you open a doorway to your interior life, you create a path. What is veiled then becomes unveiled. This has always been the way. As you use these cards, you will come to master the art of singing. You are our sister, and we are your sisters. All right, so the table of contents, we have an introduction, weaving the Sisterhood of Seers into being, how to use the cards, spreads, questions to ask, and invocations. And then it goes into the card meanings. This deck is designed to help you see what you need to see, and it is also designed to show you a path or multiple pathways to joy, well-being, and ease. It will show you all the gateways that you can enter and afford you the opportunity to choose mindfully. It will show you what you potentially did not know or see in the past so that you can step out of repetitive patterns in the here and now. It will also show you what will come to pass if you remain on your current course of action. This is the true art of seership, working with what was, is, and shall be. Okay. So each sister seer is associated with a set of 4 cards, a self-contained unit that can be independently worked with. You will notice if you fan the cards out that each seer card has an associated insight, heart, and action card. This was done intentionally to offer you a pathway or a map forward as you work with the archetypal seer energy. Okay. We have some spreads here, the insight spread, the foresight spread, and the hindsight spread. And then questions to ask. If I continue in the same way, what is the likely outcome? What is the best action to take? What does Spirit want me to know? What is my soul asking for? And there's some invocations. Different invocations for different sisters. Okay. And then it goes into each of the card meanings. All right. Well, I am intrigued. So let's get into the flip through. Beautiful back of the card. It is a matte, not bad quality. It is like a medium thickness, flexible, snaps back. It's what we've come to know for Hay House cardstock that is matte and not glossed. It will shuffle just fine. Okay. Looks like we have a number, the title, and then some keywords. I like the watercolor type of art. This is an interesting deck. Oh, we have some age diversity here. Love to see that. Okay, so those were the Seers. Oh, I like that one. Call back your power. Oh, interesting. Sweet. I really like the art. Oh, I like that. Ooh. And the last one. All right, let's see how it shuffles. Gorgeous art. Love what it's about. Shuffles just fine. I'm gonna try it side by side here. Oh yeah. If you have smaller hands, it might work this way better for you. And overhand works great too. All right, can I get a card to read, please? Okay, so we're going to read for number 3, the Seer of Light, inner guidance, medial nature, and cooperation. All right, in the guidebook, it has the same information as it does on the card. An essential meaning: go inward for answers, intuition, uniting opposing forces, a bridge between worlds, compassion and love, a prism of light contains all colors. Everything is integrated in the path of light. The Seer's message: love is a bountiful force that births light in the world. When you receive this card, you are asked to stand in a light in the world or in any situation that appears difficult. You are requested to return to a centered way of being that is rooted in love. Ask yourself, how can I create a bridge between these thoughts, people, things, or experiences? Remind yourself that you already are a bridge between the seen and the unseen, a soul cloaked in a physical body with immense beauty, spirit, and spiritual strength. You can bridge any divide, leap over any obstacle, and unite opposing forces both within and without. You simply have the will to do so. If you feel lost, turn inward and tune into the energy of love and wait for answers to spontaneously arise. You can do this by taking a few deep breaths in and out while you focus your attention on an image of a middle point. You can imagine an image of a circle with a dot in it or simply an image of a rainbow bridge. Focus on either image for as long as you can, and as you do so, pay attention to any impressions and intuitive insights that naturally arise. Remember that no problem can be solved by the same consciousness that created it, so you must shift your perspective. For every problem, there is an equal solution. This is the law of balance. Can you arrive at a middle point? Activation. I am centered and balanced in my beliefs in the world, myself, and others. From this loving standpoint, my world reflects harmony back to me. I easily hold duality in balance. Oh, interesting. Okay. I do want to take a look at, same situation for the ones that aren't seers, and they have affirmations, meditations. Love that. I think this is beautifully done. The artwork is stunning. I think this can be a very healing deck if you are feeling drawn to utilize it. I really love the art. I think it is just beautiful. I love that we have different ages in here. I love that the seers are human and the rest of the cards are the natural world. I think that's beautiful. Wonderfully intuitive, and I love that it's very beginner friendly. So this is a wonderful choice. What a beautiful gift too. That just would be a wonderful one for a bestie or someone who's on their journey. So beautifully done. I'm excited to get to know it better. Now I would love to know what you think. Please tell me all of your thoughts down below in the comment section. And if you've made it this far in the video, drop your favorite flower emoji to let me know you have. Thank you so much to Hay House for sharing this with me today. And thank you all for being here. I love you and I like you. If you have not done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.